This is another short video tutorial of Vedic math, and here we are going to learn multiplication with any number with 12. So one digit number. So we start here the one digit number. So write down 12, 12 and 12. Okay, 9 times 12. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here start 9. So here we're now see the magic here. We start from this writing down this here. 1 put as it is, 2 put as it is, it is, and then 3 where 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is 6. And why 6? I will explain it later. So write down 7 and 8, 9 and 10. See what happened here. Now I'm changing this color, so more here. This is unit digit. We have to put here unit digit. So 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 4, and how it's 4? 2 plus 2 is 4, so put it here 4, and this process goes on. This process 4 plus 2 is 6, so put the 6 here, put the 6 here, and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, so put this 8 here, put this 8 here, and here why we put 6? Because if we add 8 to 8 plus 2 is 10, so put the 0 here, but we have the 1. So if we put 5 here, so 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So for that reason we should put the 6 here. Okay, now again repeat this process, from this 2. So 2 and 2 plus 4, 2 is equal to 4, so put this 4 here, and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, so put this 6 here, and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, so put this 8 here. So this is a very short video with explanations, and why we put 6 here I have already explained. So let's take another example, and here we should know the concept of neighbor, and concept of number. So uh, unit digit. So here let's take an example here. 0 and 0 is no value, so it's a red color. So see, this is 5 6. So if I squaring this 2 and to this 2 digit, so here you can clearly understand this is unit digit is also is neighbor, and here it is number. So this is the basic important things you should understand. Okay, this is for speed math process, any number with the number of 12. So let's take an example and uh, just step by step do this process. So this is very basic important information. Just remember this thing. So this is neighbor, and this unit digit is neighbor, and this is number. So so let's start doing an. Now take a example here. Let's take an example of, and here we should know the rule: double each number in turn and add its neighbor. So why I explained before this about the neighbor. So now we know the concept of neighbor. So let's start solving a problem. So with the help of my speed math, multiplying by the 3 5 2 4 by 12. So let's start solving this one. So here put 0, which is no value, 3 5 2 4, and underneath of this is 12. So this is our first step. So in this first step we do nothing. This is unit digit 4, and we have to multiply this 4 to 2, that is 8. So this is our step 1, and this is our step 1 first. 4 as a first digit. Okay, so double this digits. Okay, so this is our the first duty to doubling up. So double and add neighbor. So this is the basic concept: double and add neighbor. So this is first is first in unit place digit, so we have nothing in neighbor, so we have to double, and here this is a neighbor and the unit digit also. So double this neighbor and add. So let's explain here. Let me explain here. So this is double, and we have 4 in the first step. 4 as a first digit, which we double and give us 8. There is no neighbor to add, so this is very easy. Now we have this is we have 2, which is neighbor. Uh, which is we have to double, sorry, a neighbor is 4. So the concept is clear. We have 2, which we have to double to give us 4, then we add its neighbor. Okay, so we have to add its neighbor. So double and add it to its neighbor, double and add to its neighbor. So this is a basic concept. So here we have 2, so 2 into 2 is 4, and add to its neighbor, so this is our neighbor. So 4, it's our neighbor. So it's a number. So here it's a spelling mistake, sorry. So it's number, so we need to add, therefore we need to add. Always remember, and repeat again: double and add, double and add to its neighbor. So we have gives this 8. So this is the second step. Now third step, it is again we need to repeat this process. We need to repeat this process. What is this process? And we should know this is the first step and this is the third step. So third step, I'm again write down this number and 03524 and multiply this 12, and here we have 5 and 2. So what is neighbor? Neighbor is 2 and number is 5. So simple, double this number. We have here 5, which we have to double, so giving us 10. Then we add its neighbor. We add its neighbor. So it will give us 12. So this is a 2-digit number. So what we have to do, just carry this 2. So here I am explaining this number. This is, we need to double. This give us 10. Sorry, this give us 10. Then we need to add this 10 to this neighbor. So here it is neighbor. So concept is clear. 10 plus 2 is 12. This is neighbor. This is neighbor. This is add. So add 2 is 12. So here 2-digit number. So this is a problem. No problem. Carry this 2 here and put a point here for remembering this. Sorry, and put this and put a red mark here for remembering. So carry 1. So this is clear because this is 1-digit number. We need to put this here. So make it 1-digit and carry the 1. This again the fourth step. Repeat this process. So here it is our now this is 35. Now neighbor and number concept is clear here. So step 4. So we have 3. So double this 3. Double this 3. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6 plus neighbor, add neighbor 5. This is give us 11. Now carry 1. This 1 should be added to this 11. So here is a carry, and you can clearly understand this is should 12. So put this 2 here, and because this is a 2-digit number and carry 1. So always put the unit digit number and carry the 10-digit number. Okay, so this is the 5th step and this is the last step. Okay, 0, 3. So now you can understand why we need to put a 0 before this number. Okay, so this is the same process, so you need to repeat again. Now 0, this number is 0. 0 into 2 is equal to 0, and 0 plus 3 is equal to gives us 3, and carrying 1, that's carry 1, this gives us 4. So this is our final result. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye, and please subscribe.